Okay guys, it's only been about 6 years since I've done anything radio related. Almost got the HF station set up, but I decided to go mobiling. It didn't look too bad. I'll show you how I did it too. But pretty typical. Diamond mount. Snakes in there. And no, I'm not a professional videographer, so I don't want to hear about it. But just got the coax zip tied onto there so it's stable. And then it runs down here. Got a couple of little ties. And then runs in to some coax. A little 12-foot extension. Which comes through here. I'm going to shove that back out of the way. Okay, and then runs down along here behind the seat belt down, and then the only thing exposed is that little bit right there, which goes underneath the mats over to that side, and we'll take a look at that. All right, this is with the seat up and forward. I got the ID-4100 here. There's the microphone extension. Use some Ethernet cable for that, and coax connection, obviously. Now this thing, it's a DC to DC converter. I think it was like 9 volts to 40 volts, and it'll change it to 13.8 because Tesla decided, hey, let's throw a 16 volt lithium battery in there. At least that's what I think it is. Shows about 15.5 volts on the meter, so this knocks it down. And I will do the reset of my seat position so you can see how it sits in there. Doing it now. And that's it. You can maybe barely see it in there, I don't know. Let's go check out the radio itself. Here is where I have the mic mounted. It's out of the way. I know that cord kind of looks like it is, but it's not. The control head unit or cable here, microphone, that extension, the blue Ethernet, but that control cable runs all the way down through here. You can see a little bit of it there. I've got it tucked up in the trim right here. Gotta go snake it around the column and back. And what I used to mount it was a 3D printed mount. I think it was made for a GoPro. But I saw another video. I'll link to his video and a link to the file itself if you guys ever want to do this in a Tesla. Turned out super good, I think. And just power it on. And that voltage regulator, 13.7, perfect. Anyway, that's the entire setup. That's how it sits in there. And I can just, and I'm on the air mobiling style.